Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reboot your iPhone 16 Pro in two different ways. So let's get started. The first way we're going to use are the buttons on our iPhone. We're going to look for the volume up and the volume down button directly under the action button, and then this big side button. So we're going to quickly press and release the volume up or volume down, and then hold on to this side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. During this process, try not to touch the screen while you're doing it, and we're going to keep on holding until we see the Apple logo appear, and then let go, and that'll go ahead and reboot your iPhone 16 Pro. Make sure you do not touch the screen during this process, and if it doesn't work the first time, sometimes it takes a few tries to get the hang of it. Just remember to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down before holding on to that side button. Now, if you simply can't get that, the second method, it's going to be if you have Siri turned on, you can get Siri to actually reboot your iPhone. So simply issue a command like this: "Hey Siri, reboot my iPhone." Yes. And then once you confirm with a yes when it asks you, you can simply go ahead and reboot it, and it will reboot it for you. Now, these methods will not delete any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps. Everything will be on your phone. All a reboot is doing is simply shutting down the phone software and reloading the code to fix any software related issue or any problems that you're having. Apple's number troubleshooting step. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone 16 Pro or any iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.